Hey, hello everyone, how are you all? Okay, I hope you all will be fit and fine. Okay, then welcome to this engineering mechanics channel, and today we are going to discuss about Varignon theorem. What is Varignon theorem and what is the use of Varignon theorem in coplanar force system? Generally, we have two most important types. I'm talking about two most important types of coplanar force system. What is concurrent coplanar force system, and second is non-concurrent coplanar force system. Okay, then what is concurrent coplanar force system? When all the forces remain passing through single point, means this all the forces passing through this single point, then that force system is known as concurrent coplanar force system. And during the summation of horizontal and vertical forces, we can find out directly the position of resultant force in concurrent coplanar force system. But in in non-concurrent coplanar force system, this is the figure about non-concurrent coplanar force system, and we cannot find out directly by the summation of horizontal and vertical forces. We cannot find out the position directly by the summation of horizontal and vertical forces here in non-concurrent coplanar force system. Then what will we do? So why this is non-concurrent coplanar force system? Because all the forces are passing through different point. Because this 20 Newton of force is passing through A point, this 50 Newton of force passing through B point, and this 30 Newton of force is passing through C point. Then suppose what will be your resultant? Suppose I am trying to lift this marker. If my downward force is less and my upward force will be much more than this downward force, then my marker will be move in upward direction. Okay, so according to Newton's second law of motion, the body will be move in the direction of resultant force. Okay, so horizontal force is not available here, so your resultant will be your direction of resultant or will be in vertical form. Okay, this body can move in upward direction or this body can move in downward direction. This body cannot be moved in horizontal direction because horizontal force is not available here. Because I am applying this or I am applying this, horizontal force is not available. So according to this figure, we can find out the resultant easily. Okay, by the summation of vertical forces. Okay, then if we are trying to find out the position in non-concurrent coplanar force system, then what will we have to do? We have to use Varignon theorem. Okay, Varignon theorem is used in non-concurrent coplanar force system to find out the position only. Now what is Varignon theorem? Varignon theorem means I'm sure definition for Varignon theorem. Varignon theorem is many coplanar or number of forces acting on a body here are 1 2 3 here are three types, three vertical forces are acting on a body or passing through a different point. Then the algebraic sum of, I'm writing this first, then the algebraic sum of moment of all the forces about any point is equal to the moment of their resultant force. about the same point. Means according to Varignon theorem, you can write this definition, okay? According to Varignon theorem, if a many or a number of forces are acting on a body, there are three forces are acting on this body, then the algebraic sum of movement of, watch carefully, okay? Algebraic sum of movement of all the forces, algebraic sum of movement of these all forces about any point. You can choose A point, you can choose B point, or you can choose C point. Choice is yours, okay? So algebraic sum of movement of about any point will equal to the movement of their resultant. Equal to the movement of resultant means resultant multiply by perpendicular distance will equal to the movement of their resultant force about the same point. Means you are directly in the situation to find out the position of resultant force here. How? Because here algebraic sum of movement of about this point will equal to the movement of resultant force, mean where your resultant force is going on about this same point. Means this gives the exact position, means resultant may be here from this point, resultant may be here from this same point, means this give the position, exact position of resultant force. Means your resultant force may be here, maybe here, maybe here. Resultant force may be anywhere between A and C point, okay? Then the Varignon theorem gives the exact position, means the summation of these all algebraic sum of movement of these all forces, okay? If we are doing the algebraic sum of these movement of these all forces about any point, okay, you can choose A, B, C, will equal to the directly will equal to the movement of resultant force. Mean movement of resultant force means your resultant, where your resultant is going on about the same points, means give the perpendicular distance from the same point. This will give the perpendicular distance, this is point, this will give the this is A point and this force is acting on this will give the perpendicular distance from this same point, okay? So I think you have get this Varignon theorem about this Varignon theorem. So Varignon theorem used in non-concurrent coplanar force system to find out directly the position of resultant force. I am trying to explain again, okay, one more time, okay? If we are doing the algebraic sum, means algebraic sum of movement of these all forces. If I am taking the movement about point A, these all forces B, C, okay, you can choose any point. Movement of algebraic sum of movement of all the forces about any point, okay, that will be equal to directly the movement of resultant force about the same point. Means this give the movement of resultant force about the same point, means this gives the direct position, direct a perpendicular distance from this point, A point, B point, maybe C point, okay? So this was all about Varignon theorem, or Varignon theorem used in non-concurrent coplanar force system only, okay? In non-concurrent concurrent coplanar force system, no work of Varignon theorem, okay? So if this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe this channel.